Welcome to the second Anim01 golf tournament. More power for us and we look forward for more tournaments, guys.
Congratulations, Batch 01. More power and sa mga hindi naglalaro at hindi pa sumasali dito, let's go!
Batch 2001, I'd like to thank everyone, all the participants, all the players, the sponsors. Thank you for joining today's tournament.
Hi Batch 2001, parang gumagaling na tayo sa mga golf tournaments. Sobrang happy to see na ito yung second and seems like very successful as well. Looking forward to our third. Anim01!
Hello Batch 2001, Anim01, JJ Batsanos from Batch 2000. I wish you the best and the most exciting and the most memorable journey to your homecoming. Cherish the moment, enjoy the friendships that you're going to forge, and enjoy the journey towards your homecoming. Animo Lasal.
Million kailangan natin guys galing sa golf tournaments. Thank you sa lahat ng supporters, lahat ng sponsors. Kundi dahil sa inyo, hindi namin ma-release tong goal na to. So thank you very much.
Congratulations Anim01 for a successful tournament. Looking forward to our Jubilarian Cup. Animo! We can do this, Anim01.
Let's do this, 01!
Let's do this, 01!
Let's go, Anim01! Let's do this, 01, Anim01.
You can do it, Anim01!
Boys, push pa tayo. Kaya natin to. 01 batch. Let's go.
Sasagutin daw niya yung kulang. Ay, ano pala?
Konti na lang, marireach na natin ang target. Pero don't worry, pag hindi kinaya, aabonohan lahat yan ni Franco Alvarez.
O, basta tandaan nyo, pag kinulang, just call me. Pag hindi ako sumagot, si Jake.
O kaya, tumawag kayo kay Justin Cruz, nagpapadala ng US dollars. Make America great again!